So in this video I will be discussing about the Ford-Fulkerson algorithm. So a Ford-Fulkerson algorithm is a classic method. एक फ्लो नेटवर्क का मैक्सिमम फ्लो पता करने के लिए हम Ford-Fulkerson algorithm यूज करते हैं. अगर सिंपल बात में बोलूँ तो इट इज ए मेथड फॉर कैलकुलेटिंग द मैक्सिमम अमाउंट ऑफ स्टफ और डेटा that can be transported from a starting point to an end point through a network of limited capacity connections. Like imagine a network of pipe. Like each pipe को ना एक different capacity होता है. Like one pipe can pass 5 liters of water at a time pass कर सकता है, and the second pipe can pass 2 liters of water at a time, while the third pipe can pass 1 liter of water at a time, right? So the goal here is to figure out the total maximum volume of water you can pump through the whole system per second. Okay, another example देता हूँ. Like imagine you are trying to send as many delivery trucks as possible from warehouse to the store. Like this is the warehouse and this is the store, and you are trying to send as many delivery trucks as possible from the warehouse to the store. Okay, warehouse से store तक जाने के लिए different paths होते हैं. Like this is the first path, this is the second path, and this is the third path. At the same time each road को ना each path को ना एक different capacity होता है. Like the road 1 can handle 5 trucks at a time, while the second road can handle 3 trucks at a time, while the third road can handle only 1 truck at a time, because of the capacities वो road के capacities different है. So to calculate the total amount of trucks that can move from starting point to an end point across a network of connected paths, we use Ford-Fulkerson algorithm. So let me explain you the help of example. So here you can see the directed graph with the weighted edges. यहाँ पे directed graph weighted edges दिया हुआ है. So this is the problem here. मैं यहाँ पे S को source जैसा ले रहा हूँ and T is the sink here. It means that S is the starting point and T is the end point. So to move from S to T हमारे पास ना different paths होते हैं. Like S to A to B and B to T is the first path. S to A to B and B to T is the first path, and S to B and B to T is the second path, and S to A and A to T is the third path. हमारे पास यहाँ पे 3 paths है. So now let's take the path 1. So the path here is S to A to B and B to T, right? मैं red line से represent, orange line से represent किया था. Okay, for the better understanding मैं weights को 0/10, 0/2, 0/4, 0/9 and 0/10 जैसे represent कर दिया था. Okay, so in the path S to A to B and B to T, we have the capacities as 10 here, 2 here and 9 here. So out of these capacities the bottleneck is 2. So what is the bottleneck here? So bottleneck is a part of the system with the lowest capacity that limits the performance of entire path. Okay, so out of the capacities 10, 2 and 9, the bottleneck is 2. Now we are pushing 2 units of flow in this path. So यहाँ पे हम 2 को ऐड कर देंगे. So यहाँ पे 2 बन जाएगा. You can see here, यहाँ पे 2, यहाँ पे 2/2 फुल हो चुका है. In the B to T 2/9 हो चुका है. अब now the edge A भी तो फुल हो चुका है. इसका मतलब हम कोई भी डेटा A to B से अब फ्लो नहीं कर सकते. ओके, अब दूसरा पाथ ले लीजिए. The second path is S to B and B to T. S to B and B to T is the second path. So what are the capacities we are having here? हमारे पास यहाँ 10 कैपेसिटी है. हमारे पास यहाँ पे 7 is the capacity remaining here. Okay, out of the capacities 10 and 7, what is the bottleneck here? 7 is the bottleneck, right? So it means that we are pushing 7 units in this path. So यहाँ पे 7/10 हो जाएगा, यहाँ पे 9/9 हो जाएगा. अब आप देख रहे हो the edge B to T फुल हो चुका है. इसका मतलब हम कोई भी डेटा B to T से पास नहीं कर सकते. ये तो फुल हो चुका है, right? Now take the third path. The third path is S to A and A to T, right? S to A and A to T is the third path. What are the capacities here? हमारे पास यहाँ capacities क्या है? We have the 8 as a capacity here, यहाँ पे 4 is the capacity here. Okay, so what is the bottleneck here? Of course 4 is the bottleneck. It means that we are pushing 4 units in this flow. 2 plus 4 6 आएगा, राइट. 4/4 तो फुल हो चुका है. इसका मतलब A to T is effectively full, which means we can't pass any other data from A to T. Okay. अब यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हो there are no more paths from source to sink. अब हमारे पास कोई भी पाथ नहीं है सोर्स से लेके सिंक तक जाने के लिए. इसका मतलब एल्गोरिदम यहाँ पे स्टॉप हो जाएगा. So how to calculate the total maximum flow here? So flow entering to T from A and flow entering to T from B. We are adding both the weights here. So 4 plus 9 equals to 13. So this is how we calculate the total maximum flow in this problem. This is how Ford-Fulkerson algorithm works. I hope you guys have understood the concept of Ford-Fulkerson algorithm. So यहाँ पे एक प्रॉब्लम दिया गया है. Try to solve this problem by yourself. मेरे को ना ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करके ना फाइनल रिजल्ट ना मेरे को कमेंट लिख दो. So and at the same time don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.